Hello, today I will show you how to do this kind of a hairstyle. It's an old Hollywood movie classic hairstyle, waves. Looks like this in the back. And for that we would need a curling iron, bobby pins, and in the end a little bit of hairspray. So let's go.
Elegance in person. Your charisma is breathtaking.
So basically we will take those here and curl. This is the back. I cannot see it a little bit, maybe. So here we do it to this direction, here we do it to this direction, and then the back to the back. And then we let it cool down and we wait what happens. Let's see. So this is what we got, and now we brush through.
Your hair is amazing.
We brush through.
You are
and see
fascinating.
what we got.
You are so stylish. Hollywood glamour. Your hair is amazing. You have Hollywood glamour. These are delightful. You have Hollywood glamour.
So we do it carefully so that you have the wave you want to have. Exactly.
Your looks are trendy.
Here we put it up.
Your laughter is captivating.
So very careful. Very careful because you create the wave you want. Right? You create the wave here as well. So in the back,
Your looks are trendy.
in the back it's better to use another mirror, but I don't have. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. Here we can take this hole and brush it.
Your laughter is captivating.
Brush it this way, exactly. And now we have this classic Hollywood wave.
Your looks are trendy.
You can keep it behind the ear, and we should fixate it. Okay, so we're ready to go.